Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So what I found basically here, let's start first from a daily time frame, is that we are trading an upside cycle. The price is trading above the rising 20 exponential moving average, so we can say that we have a mid-term. Basically, in the last 20 days, we have an upside trend. But so far, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, there was a pin bar territory and an area around 135.40, which acted like support, so we got reaction back. So for now, market found support around this 135.40 and is trying to set up the first higher low on the 15-minute and 30-minute time frame, which can be the beginning of potential upside rotation for today. If we take a look at the hourly time frame, we can see that the slow line, this oscillator, is starting to diverge. So we have a bull divergence on the slow line, and market is trading around the previous day low, or basically Friday's low, at 135.75. So I would like to see if the market can clear 135.88 and hold above, and if the market can set a first higher low and higher high in the 15-30 minute time frame, this can be the beginning for potential rotation back towards the upside references around 137 mark. So we might set here the range. So far we already have the multi-day resistance and support, and so far the support is holding, so potential rotation back towards 136.40 and later on maybe 137 might be in the play on the USD versus Japanese yen. If we speak about the gold market is in the basically last 5 days we had a 4 days up and 1 neutral day. So Friday was a breakout day to the upside, and so far market is trading around the previous day high, the Friday's high, at 1856. What I can see here, let's start from an hourly frame or a 30-minute time frame. We can see that we got some divergences on the fast line and the slow line. For example, on the 30-minute time frame or on the hourly time frame, we can see that market traded and made a new high, but the oscillator was is far away to make a new high in momentum. So we have a divergence on the fast and the slow line. Here watching the 30-minute time frame and hourly time frame, and we are also sitting in the key intraday resistance at 1857. So I will not be surprised if the market can rotate back towards the for example 1850, or if there is even more power than to rotate towards the, for example, this area around 1840. So pay attention on this on the Friday's high, and pay attention to this potential divergence on the slow and fast line of 30-minute and hourly time frame. Market will, from my perspective, will be good if the market will start to build some lower highs and lower lows on the 5 and 15-minute time frame. That can be a good confirmation for this downside rotation. Speaking of the crude oil, we can see that the market traded, and we have an outside day, quite a volatile day on Friday. We left the tail here and the market closed on the high, but this was quite a climatic activity. Basically, there was an ultra high volume and the ultra wide spread of the bar. So coming into the day, there is also potential for the market to just do the consolidation, maybe even to try to rotate and pull back with the rate of change flip to the downside. Market failed to test so far this Friday's high at 79.75. And for now, market is in consolidation. There is no clear indication here, but because the Friday was quite a volatile day, we might see some consolidation day to day, maybe even some rotation, so to the downside. Still on the weekly time frame, nothing changed. We are trading in the bigger range, and I will pay attention to this bigger weekly trading range, and with a key support zone at 72 and key resistance zone at 82.50. So the breakout either of support resistance might be a very good indication for further development on the crude oil. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, after this basically a very market went into the climax, selling climax, and market went way too fast, way too far. This is a very common to see after this kind of magnitude of the move like we had. It's very common that we see the consolidation next couple of days. It's exactly what we're seeing here. So we're gonna mark down. We took this, broke this range to the downside, and we are now experiencing the very tight range here. Now, previous area of previous support zone may act like resistance in case of the rally towards the 22,900 or 23,000, and for now, market is still in consolidation with the support zone, I will say, at the 22,100 or let's say 22,000. In case of the break of the 22,000, and if we can hold below, then the next area for the lower references is 21,400 and then 20,500. That will be all for this update, for this video. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.